Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious vanilla protein shake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 scoop of your favorite vanilla protein powder, 1 cup of milk, and half a frozen banana. These core components create a fantastic base for a creamy and satisfying shake. This simple combination ensures a great taste and smooth texture every time you blend it up. To elevate your shake, consider adding a few extras. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract deepens the flavor profile beautifully. For a thicker texture and an extra nutritional boost, incorporate 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. If you prefer your shake extra cold and thick, a few ice cubes can make a big difference. These additions are simple yet impactful. Now, let's talk about blending. Place all your ingredients into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. The goal is a perfectly smooth consistency with no lingering lumps. A well-blended shake is key to enjoying every sip, so take your time to achieve that ideal texture. Once blended to perfection, pour your delicious vanilla protein shake into a glass. It's best enjoyed immediately to savor its fresh taste and creamy texture. This shake is not only incredibly tasty, but also a fantastic way to get your protein, whether it's for a quick breakfast, a post-workout refuel, or a satisfying snack. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.